Mahalo for your interest in applying at Honolulu Community College. This is the Outreach Center, and in this video, we're going to give you some tips for completing your application. So first, you're going to visit apply.hawaii.edu, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom and select Honolulu Community College. It'll take you to this page, and you're going to start by creating an account. In order to create an account, you're going to fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Then further down, you're going to create a username and password. This username will only be used for this application. The next page will be your extended profile. And if you're an early college student, you're going to select yes for that first degree goal question. If you're applying as an incoming freshman, you're going to select no. And then after you select no, the first drop-down question will pop up, and you're going to at least select associate degree. Afterwards, another question will pop up, and you're going to select Honolulu Community College. At the bottom, you're just going to check the box and save changes. Next, you're going to come to your program page. You're going to click on the blue filter button, and this window on the right should pop up. Under campus, you're going to filter for Honolulu Community College and also filter for the start term, which will most likely be fall. After you find your program, you're going to press the plus button on the left side, and it should turn into a green check.
After selecting your program, it will bring you to the application dashboard. When you work through your application, you know that it's finished when the sections on their homepage are fully green. This shows that they're all completed. Under each section, there are different subsections, and you want to make sure that they are completed with a check mark next to it. Some sections are optional, but you still need to visit it by scrolling down and hitting the button Save Changes at the bottom. When completing your application, we want to make sure that you focus on the required questions. These are labeled with the red star next to it. The screen shows an example of what these red stars look like. We want to show you how to access your account settings. So if you click on your name on the application dashboard, it should pop up a drop-down box of your extended profile as well as the Help Center. This is also where you can sign out. When submitting your application on the dashboard, you can see on the top Submit Application, it also is marked with a 1 next to it. After clicking on that, you can confirm that you're applying to the correct campus, the correct program, as well as for the correct term. After this is accurate, hit on the Submit button. And a note on residency is you're considered a Hawaii resident if you've physically lived or been here for more than a month or a year, you have a green card, and you were born and raised in Hawaii. You know that you successfully submitted the application when you receive an email confirmation. If you have any questions or concerns, on the screen it shows where you can contact the outreach team. Here's our email and our phone number, and we also have appointments where you can schedule with us where we can walk you through the application step by step. Thank you for applying, and we are excited to have you join our campus Ohana. Mahalo.